Hello, my dear friends. Myself Yadnesh. Lots of people asking me about how to get a free programming ebooks cheat sheets. So today I will tell you how you can get this all for free. I know some websites where you can find these ebooks for free. So let's get started. Open your web browser. I'm opening a Chrome here. So here you just have to write goalkicker.com and hit enter. These websites are all the coding ebooks. You can see here the list of ebooks. As we go down, there are the multiple ebooks. So now I will tell you how you can download these ebooks. I want to download the ebook of Python. Here is a Python ebook. Just click on it. Here you will see the multiple chapters which is included in the book. As you scroll down, here are the some reference pages also. For downloading this book, click on the download button here. After clicking on it, the book will be started downloading. Now I will tell you how you can download the cheat sheets. For downloading the cheat sheet, open your web browser and just search for the cheatography.com. Here you will get the cheat sheets for the multiple subjects. For the programming languages, just click on programming languages. Here you can see the cheat sheets for the multiple programming languages. And here is search option also. You can do search also. For example, I want a Python cheat sheet, so I am searching here Python, and here you will get the lots of Python cheat sheets. For downloading the cheat sheets, click on any cheat sheet. Then scroll down. Here you will see the download button. Just click on it, and the cheat sheet downloading is started. Thanks for watching this video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel for the more videos like this.